Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with pink and red color in the pallu, prints in both red and pink also in cream color, and we have the pink blouse piece with one side block printed borders and red in the border. Saree have beautiful design, fully blue, very elegant Ananda blue shade with black printed in the borders, and we also have the red as well as pink in the lower border. Very elegant saree, different color combination and with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a inkjet black color beautiful pallu with zari lines, vertical zari lines, and same color blouse piece with both sides zari borders. And we have a beautiful half white color saree with maple leaf design printed. The lower half of the saree, almost half and half pattern. Top half is plain and the lower half is completely printed. The borders of the saree is also in black base with antique finish saree. Elegant saree, always demanded one with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu, inkjet black color with zari lines in the pallu. Same black blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The complete saree have the black border with antique finished zari on it. Saree here is in beautiful cream color, half white with sunflower design printed. Both side borders we have sunflower design printed with very elegant green and yellow colors. Beautiful saree, simple and elegant one with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa. And here we have an apple green brighter shade saree with prints all over in maroon color. You can see the Egyptian printing done in the pallu, the pyramid's face design, and we have the same color plain blouse piece, golden zari borders all over the saree along with the blouse piece, and we also have a thin border that is also in maroon base color here. Beautiful printing, you can see the pyramids, the ancient concept printed, and the saree have a beautiful prints all over, a floral and stripes kind pattern all over printing, and the lower half we have the tribal kind printing done. Different saree, very different concept with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with zari lines, and we have a very contrast black blouse piece with one side pink borders, very light and beautiful pink shade, something between magenta and the normal pink, and we have all over printed design in the saree. Fully it is printed using the Rangoli design pattern, and we have zari borders also in the pink shade. The saree is in cream with prints in pink. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark burgundy brown color pallu with beautiful zari lines and zari border. Same color plain blouse piece. It's a beautiful half white and brown combination saree. Cream half white color, mild sandal tinge, and all over the motif design is printed. Very different design, the West Bengali tribal pattern motif printed using different colors, and we also have brown prints in the saree. The borders of the saree is also on the brown base. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Beautiful white combination saree with a dual color pallu, a contrast pallu, maroon and green in the pallu with a maroon color blouse piece. It's a beautiful half saree model saree. The top half is a maple leaf design printed one, maroon and green used for printing, the cream base color with the borders also in maroon, and we have very elegant fully printed design in green base for the lower half. It's almost a half saree model, beautiful printing with zari borders, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful cream with other colors combination sarees, which is a beautiful pink, elegant one, sweet pink with zari lines, and same sweet pink for the blouse piece with one side orange color borders. The saree here is almost in a sandal tinge a cream and sandal mixed shade color with the beautiful butterflies in the motif. Excellent design, very elegant butterflies, a small butterflies in the borders and the big butterfly design motif in the body. And the borders are also here very differently done in the pallu color base. Excellent saree, very elegant and classy looking one with authentic silk work. Pure tussar by tussar block printed sarees, premium quality with elegant color combinations. Here we have a light green color pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same light green blouse piece, very different combination to the saree. The saree is in cream base color, mild sandal tinge cream, and we have a pink color birds design printed, and the printing is done in a very different increasing and decreasing kind of a staircase pattern. We also have the prints in the top. The borders of the saree is completely in the green pallu color base along with the zari borders. An excellent concept saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a deep maroon and orange color in the pallu. It's a dual color pallu along with zari lines, and we have the same orange blouse piece with one side the deep maroon and brown mixed shade color. The same maroon and brown mixed shade colors in the body. Both sides we have floral design printed using half white, and we also have the orange base color for the zari borders base. Excellent saree, the floral design, different one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue and pink color, a vertically splitted border pallu, and we have zari lines on it. Blue portion, the zari lines are done with a contrast color, pink color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with one side royal blue shade borders. The saree is having beautiful half saree model. The top half we have fully printed portion on cream base, royal blue used for the printing. And you can see the diagonal way it is printed, and the portion increases like, and a grey portion starts in the here, and once it goes to the lower part of the saree, it's almost a half and half pattern. Beautiful partly saree with a beautiful design. The borders of the saree are in the pink base color itself. It comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful chili red color pallu with zari lines. Zari border also is given with same color blouse piece, pallu color. Contrast one for the body. The body here is in cream sandal finish color with very elegant design. The leaf design, very different leaves, mildly printed using black color, and we also have the borders in red base. Excellent concept, a classy looking saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful zari lined pallu along with block prints, and we have blue base, a deep blue color, and we have a copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side deep blue color borders. The saree here is in cream base itself with the Buddha face design printed in the body. Both dark blue and copper sulphate blue is used alternatively for the printing. And here we have a beautiful village concept, a full village tribal concept is printed in the both sides. One at a row at the top and two at a row at the bottom using red. And the borders of the saree, the zari border base is in also in the copper sulphate blue color. Different saree here with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, grey and blue in the pallu along with the zari lines, and we have the same copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side grey borders. The saree here is in cream base with all over printed using pink color, single peacock feather design all over printed, and we also have the border design printed using pink. The zari border base is here grey. A different concept saree, the colors are very different with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful multicolored pallu. We have rusty orange, pink as well as green in the pallu along with the block prints and zari lines. And a very contrast green, it's a beautiful olive green shade color blouse piece with one side the rusty orange color borders. The complete saree is having the green border for the base of the zari border, and here we have a beautiful colors in the saree. The mid part of the saree is something in in a reddish rusty orange color. On the top and the bottom we have pink prints, and the between portion we have the cream portion that is having a green and yellow prints. Beautiful saree, multiple printing, and the colors of the saree is really beautiful with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue, indigo blue in a darker shade color pallu with white prints on it, half white used for the printing, and we also have zari lines. And here we have a parrot green color blouse piece, plain one with the blue borders in one side. The saree here is in a beautiful parrot green base with dark green color prints. Beautiful concept, very elegantly shuttle printing all over, and we have the indigo blue base for the zari borders in both sides. Simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pink saree with yellow prints. The pallu is also having yellow prints with very elegant zari lines. Same color blouse piece with temple yellow borders in the blouse piece also. The complete saree is having beautiful temple border and the butta design, which is block printed using yellow. And we have the zari borders in golden color. Excellent pink, always demanded color with authentic silk mark. Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. And here we have a light green color pallu with zari lines, a very beautiful light green shade. Same color blouse piece, a contrast blouse piece for the body. Even the prints in the body is also done in the same color. Borders as well, zari border base, and the saree here is in beautiful cream shade color with prints that is done in a floral pattern. Vertically it's been done all over the saree. Beautiful design, very elegantly done, a classy pastel saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful pink pallu here, very bright shade pink with zari lines. Same pink blouse piece with one side blue borders. A very elegant saree, classy half white, mild sandal mix half white color all over with prints in blue and pink. A very bright blue used for it, as well as the pink is also bright here. Excellent saree, very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green shade, grey and green mixed shade color pallu with same color blouse piece. One side pink borders in the blouse piece, which can be used for the sleeves. The saree here is light dull finish, light green and grey mixed shade color on half white, and we have fully the green shade used for the batik printing here. All over the saree it's been printed, and along that we have pink and yellow used for the rose design, rose and lotus. Very elegant one with the borders also in the pallu color. Different saree, exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a multi-color pallu, very colorful one, multiple colors, yellow, blue, green, as well as blue in darker shade, and pink is given. And the saree's blouse is completely different, deep grey shade, blue is grey. Saree is also here a colorful one. The middle part of the saree is multicolored, painted design, very elegant one with the top and bottom in deep grey with fully printed design in cream. A very colorful, very different saree, an exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a black pallu with prints in it, and we also have zari lines, and a maroon blouse piece, pinkish maroon color with one side black borders. The saree is very different here. Vertically printed design, a temple border type, which is done vertically using the red and black alternatively in the top portion. And the lower half of the saree is completely maroon, a pinkish maroon color, and just the borders. Very different concept saree, very elegant one. We have the lower half also have certain prints which is done vertically, which is not completely done, but here and there. Very different half saree model with authentic silk mark.